Hello team, today's challenge is the vowel case challenge, where the goal is to lowercase all of the consonants and uppercase all of the vowels. Should go pretty quick. Let's jump right into the code and start doing stuff. So right here, I want to start by normalizing the data. So I want to get it all in a single place where we can operate on it. And for that, we're just going to lowercase everything, okay? The reason for that is because we only need to find the vowels, okay? We don't need to do anything fancy like going back and forth between vowels and consonants. If we just find the vowels and uppercase them, we are in good shape. And we can do that with a replace. So right here, we're going to globally find a range of A, E, I, O, U, just like this, not the Y, sometimes the Y, but not today, okay? That was a mistake. And of course, match, doing that really handy callback. That's the word I'm looking for, callback. Okay. So here we return match dot to uppercase. And that's it. Not everything needs to be fancy. Not everything needs to be complicated. Very simple. We just normalize the data. Then we replace exactly what we need with what we want. Okay. Did you find other solutions? This is just one solution. There are hopefully many others. If you do want to share those, put them in the comments. I love seeing them. And beyond that, I will see you in the next one.